welcome to the ATM Biz, also known as ATM Crypto Biz. Today we're going to talk about blockchain currency versus the current fiat monetary system known as the dollar. Okay, why is blockchain currency so important, so elite in comparison to the dollar, so preeminent? Why is it? Why is it? Well, let me explain. See, what you don't know, what many people may not understand about the dollar bill, why it's called fiat currency, is because it's backed by nothing. It used to be backed by gold, now it's backed by nothing. One thing it is backed by, it's backed by unjust war, cruelty, bloodshed, deceit. Nothing American. Well, now we redefine what American is terrorizing other countries. Okay, now I digress. With blockchain currency, why it's so preeminent and elite is that it's decentralized. The current fiat monetary system is centralized. It's owned by a private party. It's owned by a super elite. 1 to 5% of the population owns the majority of the wealth, leaving the rest of the population on peanuts pay. Current blockchain currency is decentralized, spread out on a network of computers around the world. No one owns it, like the internet, can be modified, and we're all accountable to each other. No one person is held accountable, like the fiat current monetary system. Also, when we're talking about decentralized, we're talking about how with each transaction, with blockchain, with each transaction, you're transacting information, data, and value. Blockchain currency is not just, we're not transacting money, we're not just transacting digital cash. Okay? When transacting forms of value, property, land, gold, assets, stocks, bonds, information, data, not just value, not just currency, but anything of value, data, information. Now, when each transaction of information, data, or value, it's encoded or encrypted on a block that is verified by a network or web of computers. Now, these computers are these people, okay, that are using these computers to encode and encrypt the information on the blocks, on these blocks. They perform a hashing process of calculations, precise and extravagant calculations. Okay. Now, if you were to try to hack the blockchain and change a block, each block tells information of the previous block. If you try to change one block, it affects the other, and it would nullify it and make it void. And people will know, the network computers will know the blockchain is trying to be hacked or this information is trying to be changed. So you would have to, in order to hack and change the blocks of information and change it, you'd have to hack all the computers and change all the blocks at once. All the blocks and hack all the computers all at once. Now that is nearly impossible, okay? So this guarantees trust in the blockchain. This guarantees trust in cryptocurrency. It's cryptography. The fiat current monetary system doesn't have that. The fiat has failed us over and over again. Is it not that Satoshi, not too long after the 2008 crash started and put out his white paper on Bitcoin? The more we have these economic and stock market crashes, the more we will see the importance of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Okay, not only the current fiat monetary system has let itself go in superinflation and mass printing of dollar bills, Not only the dollar bills is paper, it's paper. It's no value at all. It's paper. Okay, and this is constantly being printed every day. So the dollar has lost its value. It has no limit to how many will be and can be printed. Whereas with cryptocurrency and the blockchain, there is a limit to each cryptocurrency. There's a limit. There's a limit to how much bitcoins are going to be mined. And we see with the fiat current monetary system, we see with money, dollar bill, they keep on printing it. They keep on making it, and it never stops. Therefore, it's devalued. It's the dollar. The dollar has been devalued time and time again. But cryptocurrency has a limit to how many coins will be mined. Therefore, we won't have the inflation problem with blockchain currency. All these things and more why blockchain currency is supreme, preeminent, and elite over the current fiat monetary system. Now, in order to keep the current fiat current monetary system afloat, is what we have is the petrodollar, is where we engage in unjust wars. We engage in genocide, cruelty, killing, and bloodshed just for the upholding of our current monetary system. In this luxury we have in America, although how great and vast and awesome it is for Americans, it's a disaster for the rest of the world. It's a disaster for other countries that our luxury is on their backs. We're living off of them. Okay, so in order for us to evolve as a race, in order for us to just to carry on in this next stage of humanity, we have to change a current monetary system. We have to. It won't last. It won't hold up at all. The way the current monetary system is based on, it's set for destruction, self-destruction, imploding. This is why we need blockchain and cryptocurrency, is to totally revolutionize and hold the world accountable to how we use money. And this is what we need. This is what we need right now.